Morning. It's Martin Luther King Day, January the 19th or 20th. I'm at Hunting Island, South Carolina at the state park. I'm going to try to get some boneyard photos at sunrise. This is similar to Jekyll Island, Driftwood Beach, but hunting calls it boneyard. Let's turn this around. You can see all the old trees that are in the water, hundreds of years. The sun's going to come up from probably somewhere around there, so I'm trying to work on my composition. May have about 20 minutes, so I need to hurry up and get ready. Thanks for watching. Just want to give you an idea of what all these trees look like in the water. The tide's coming in. It's not supposed to be high tide until around 10:15 this morning, so I think we're going to be good with the tide. I can't decide if that sun's going to pop right through there, but that looks a little busy for me. That looks too busy, too much to focus on, too many distractions. Check this out. This is pretty cool. And then there's another one right over here where I don't know if you can see that one or not too good, but I'll walk a little bit closer. Yeah, pretty cool. All right, I need to get busy. I need to get set up. I think what I'm going to do is, I think I'm really going to set up for something right in here. Maybe concentrate on that tree out there. I think right in here is going to be my spot. But I will probably move to where Richard's at too. There's Richard over there. He's setting his camera up. I think he's got a pretty good composition. Probably not as good as I'm going to get. All right. Went back and got my tripod. I'm shooting today with my Nikon Z9, my 2470. I've got a polarizer on it. I also have a 10-stop filter just in case I decide I need to use it. I don't think I will. I may when the sun comes up, but for the sunrise I think I'm going to get just a regular polarizer filter. So once again, it's 31 degrees, 32 degrees, no wind right now, so luckily we're good. But now I am layered up. I've got a heated vest on, I got 2 shirts on, 2 pair of pants or long johns, and 2 pairs of socks, and I've got water boots on, so I'm not cold. Luckily the wind's not blowing, but I'm just going to swing this around. It's going to be a beautiful morning. That orange is really going to pop, hopefully. But right now I'm really kind of trying to figure out my composition. I like this area right through these 2 trees. So I forgot my coffee, so I had to go back to where Richard's at. He's only maybe, I don't know, 20 or 30 yards from where I'm at. Right there's the sun coming, so I got to get busy. I got to get ready. Got my coffee. See, now that right there, that's not a bad composition. That sun's coming. I'm gonna be ready for it too. There's the sun. That's what I'm gonna be waiting on. We came all the way down here from the upstate. Drove about 4.5 hours yesterday, spent the night in Beaufort, and this right here is what we come from. What I'm looking at on my camera, I'll pop up in the video, but man, we got here just in time. Just in time. So I'm looking at that right there. Let's put, with the polarizer, I want to do f11. I may jump to f13, or I may drop it down to f8. I'm at f11, 1 second, ISO 100. That's my base ISO. I'm not going to go any higher than that because I can always put a timer on. But I'm not sure if I like that composition. What's bothering me is this little tree right out here. I tried to move it, but I couldn't move it. There goes some ducks flying over there. I'm pretty sure I got some amazing sunrise photos here at Hunting Island, South Carolina. It is about 7:40 Monday morning. It's Martin Luther King Day. It's a holiday for us, and this is how we decided to come down. We got some good pictures of Beaufort, around Beaufort last night at sunset and around Port Royal, and some night photos at Beaufort. Down Bay Street, and this morning we come out, left the hotel at 6 o'clock this morning. It was literally, excuse me, let me take this picture. It was 31 degrees when we left the hotel. Richard's down there. He hasn't moved. He's been there the whole time. I've been getting about 5 or 6 different spots that I like. This is what I'm looking at right now. I don't know if you can see that. It's my composition. Let me brighten that up just so you can probably see it a little bit better. But I'm shooting 2470 f11 100 ISO at 1/160th of a second. I do have a polarizer on there just to kind of cut down on that glare and help with that. So there's my shot, and I'll post it in the video. Thanks. So we are walking back to the truck. We'll turn this around, and this is the kind of path here at Hunting Island, South Carolina. I got Papa Rich over here. There you go. He's pulling a cart with his stuff in it. Great way to go. Great thing to do. Makes it a whole lot easier. Not a bad walk. It's about a half a mile, 0.7 of a mile from the parking lot to the boneyard to the beach. Not a bad walk at all. I think we both got some really good shots this morning. Sunrise was beautiful. We almost got here a little too late, but I had to have my 6 o'clock coffee. So anyway, that's it.